What's going on? It's Ed here from Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local business. And today we're talking about generating leads and some velocity for your window repair, or I should say windshield repair and replacement business, or your auto glass business. So this particular client has both a mobile fleet and then also a physical location, and in a very competitive market in the United States. And we are crushing it for them. They've gotten 196 leads in the last 30 days. Cost per lead is about $17, $16.58, and a 36, almost 37% conversion rate in the campaign. So what is a conversion rate? Conversion rate is the percentage of people that click that actually become a lead. Most of the time what you're going to see is people with conversion rates of 5, 10, maybe 15%. Ours is at almost 37%. So very high. What that means is we're very efficient with the ad budget that we use. So this particular client is budgeting $150 a day, and his cost per lead is $16. This will create some velocity in the business with this type of lead flow. If you think about your own business for a second, what would your business look like if you had an extra 196 leads, 100 leads, 200 leads, 300 leads, 50 leads, 75 leads coming in on a monthly basis? I'd imagine things would pick up. You'd be able to hire some people to get them on the vehicles doing the work, and you more back in a sales role and management role. Potentially add additional vehicles to the fleet. I'd imagine it'd be a way more profitable business to run for you. So if you'd like something like this built and installed in your business, what I'll do is drop a link in the description to an application. Just fill out that application, and we'll set up a time to chat. We'll go over how it works, what the pricing looks like, and if it seems like there's a fit between us, we could have you live in under a week. And then I ask you, is this something you'd like in your business in under a week? Would you like to be in a situation to have your phone ringing off the hook in short order, in under a week? I'd venture a guess and say if you're watching this video, the answer is probably yes. But if you need anything, hit the application below in the description. My name's Ed. I'm one of the owners here at Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. If you need anything, give us a shout, and that's it. If you found this useful, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.